Sorry guys, my other video was cut off. So I reached 2 8s and I see that 2 8s are related. That means that I can bring down and simplify this fraction by dividing by a number that they both have in common, which is 2. And usually 2 is going to be a common divisor that you can divide both the numerator and the denominator. But sometimes you're going to have to break it down a few times if you're going to continue to use 2. Okay? So 2 divided by 2 is 1. 8 divided by 2 is 4. And now this is my answer. 2 8s or 1/4. So with adding and subtracting fractions, please make sure that you follow the steps and you look for the LCM to rewrite your fractions. Now, one more thing I want to go over with you is that sometimes you're going to have an answer that's going to subtract a whole number minus a fraction. Now, what I taught you was to change this whole number into a fraction that equals a whole number. And that means that the numerator and the denominator are both the same number. So sometimes you're like, what number do I use? Well, I'll always use the denominator that's in the second fraction as my new fraction because this still equals 1. It's just a fraction form, okay? This is a fraction that's greater than 1. So I keep my denominator and I subtract my numerators. And I always know that the numerator, if it's half of the denominator, it will always equal half. So inside your worksheets, make sure that you're on your worksheets only do even. And if you have any questions, because I know that this might be a little complicated for tomorrow, please make sure that you text me before you call me. And then we can talk about anything that you have a confusion about. On Thursday, you'll be doing lessons 14, 15, and 16. And I left those 3 lessons together because they're all related. Again, if you have any questions, please let me know. Go back into your notebooks and double check the lessons with common denominators. And if you have any other questions, like I said before, just send me a message. Have a great day. Remember to do your attendance, and I'll see you on Zoom.